What's up, guys? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP the Install Guy here. Hope to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got 2001 GMC Yukon, and I'm gonna show you how to take these speakers out of the front doors and install your own. If these are the type of things that you're into, please consider subscribing. This is what we do here. Anything car audio install related, that's what the channel is about. From time to time, I like to share my car audio knowledge, so whether you're a beginner or advanced, this channel just might be for you. So first thing we want to do is take off this little triangle piece. Next, we can take this part off. Next, we're going to go ahead and take that part off. Disconnect these. And lastly, we want to remove this. Next, we have 1, 2 7mm bolts. There's one right here and one right here. And we have one more 7mm bolt on the bottom of the panel. Alright, so now that we've done that, we just want to grab this handle, lift straight up, take out the light. You have this piece right here that just pushes in. Ow, fuck. Woo, shit. That hurt. Slide that up. Disconnect one more harness for the tweeter. Get that door panel off. Next, on the speaker, you just want to push down. God damn! I'm going through it. That's how bad that speaker. So next, we have the aftermarket speaker already in the bracket, and we have the speaker harness already hooked up. Don't worry about it. I will have all the links in the description so you guys can install this type of stuff yourself with these speaker harnesses and make your install life 1,000 times easier. It already comes with the positive and negative terminal leads on them, so there's no guesswork, and you literally just unplug the old speaker and then plug in the new speaker. These links will be in the description for you guys. Now on this one, you are gonna have to cut some of these little tabs off. These two are gonna go down in those two holes. That top part is gonna snap in here. So this part and those two parts aren't gonna be used. So we're gonna go ahead and cut them off. All right, and nothing special about that. I just use my cutters or my crimpers right there. Those are my side cutters, and I just cut those little tabs off. Now I'm just gonna stick it in at the bottom, pull it right here, snap that right into place. Now this will be secure, but if you look at it, it's still a little wobbly, so you can take some of these holes right here and run some self-tapping screws in them just to kind of further secure it, and I think that's what I'm gonna do, so there's no extra rattling if the speaker starts to play some music. So that's what it looks like when it's all said and done. If you guys find any value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Want to take the time to thank all the Patreons. You guys go the extra mile to support me and the channel, and that really goes a long way with me. Next, the introduction to car audio classes are being made right now. So at the time you're watching this video, please check jptheinstallguy.com to see if they're up. Keep growing, keep going. Have a blessed day.